Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wild Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to program ESP8266 generic board with Arduino Uno. We will see LED blinking program with Arduino IDE. So let us get started. This is circuit diagram. Here I am using one Arduino Uno and one ESP01 board and some jumper wire. Here I will tell you about connection. So I have this table. VCC connect to 3.3 volt of Arduino Uno and ground is ground, and TX connect to TX and RX connect to RX, and this is chip select pin. So you should connect to 3.3 volt and GPIO 0 connect to ground. Okay, so here we will see this is RX pin connect to RX and TX pin is connected to TX, and here ground and GPIO 0 pin is connected to ground. These are chip select, and power pin is connected to 3.3 volt. Using Arduino Uno board as a programmer for ESP8266 board, we need to keep reset mode always. Okay, ground and reset pin is short. Okay, now we will see programming. So this is Arduino Uno IDE. First of all, you have to install board in Arduino IDE. So go to tools and boards, go to board manager and search here ESP8266. Okay, here you can see this is already installed, so we don't need to install this. I will close and again go to tools and I will select here board. Board is ESP8266 and generic ESP8266 module. Okay, and again go to built-in LED. So select here one and port is 11. Okay, now go to example and go to ESP8266 blink. Okay, now I will reduce time delay. Here it will be 100 millisecond, so it will blink fast. Now I will install this. Uploading done successfully. Now I will disconnect GPIO 0 pin. It is connected to ground, so I will disconnect and I will once turn off and turn on the power. Okay, now I will connect. Wow, you can see LED is blinking. Now I will change the delay and I will upload again. We have to again connect the GPIO 0 pin to ground. Okay, so this is GPIO 0 pin. I will connect to ground and again turn off the power and turn on the power. Now LED is not blinking and I will upload again. Okay, uploading done successfully. Now we have to again disconnect the GPIO 0 jumper wire. So I will disconnect this and again turn off the power and turn on the power. You can see LED is blinking. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really like my video and my work, so you can support me on PayPal and Patreon. My PayPal and Patreon ID has given in description box, and don't forget press like button, subscribe button and share button. Thanks for watching.